The non-stick foot makes it possible to sew fabrics such as leather, plastic, vinyl, and oilcloth with ease. These types of fabrics can get stuck under a metal presser foot, so fabric has difficulty feeding. The non-stick foot has a slick surface on its underside so that fabric will glide underneath it. To sew vinyl, use a Singer leather needle style 2032 for best results, as it makes a smaller hole than standard needles. Set the machine for straight stitch with a medium to long stitch length setting. This is important because if the stitches are too short, the fabric could become perforated at the seam line. To hold fabrics together for sewing, place pins within the seam allowance, otherwise they will create holes in the fabric that cannot be removed. An alternative is to use paper clips to hold fabric and then remove them just before stitching over them. Use a cool iron and a press cloth to press seams open.